You might wonder how difficult it must have been for getting a solution. Despite all these, have a look at your phone. You will get a notification providing you a right solution at a finger click. And this is the problem from numerical solutions of ordinary differential equations. So we have to obtain Picot's second approximate solution of the initial value problem. dy by dx is equal to x square by y square plus 1. Y at 0 is equal to 0. So it is given from the question that dy by dx is equal to x square by y square plus 1 and also y at 0 is equal to 0. So which means y naught is equal to 0 and x naught value is 0. So according to the Picot's method we have the nth approximated value is equal to, this is y naught plus integral x naught to x f of x comma y at n minus 1th approximated value into dx. So we have to substitute the value n is equal to 1. So if I keep n is equal to 1, so this is the first approximated value. So y naught, it is already there. So this is x naught by x f at x comma y at 1 minus 1 of dx. So this can be written as, this is y naught plus integral x naught to x f of x comma y naught of dx. So this is y naught I am writing down, and we have the value of y naught 0 and x naught 0. If I substitute this one, so this is 0 and x naught is also 0 to x f at x comma 0 of dx. So this becomes integral 0 to x f at x comma 0 of dx. From the question we have f of x comma y value is nothing but x square by y square plus 1. So this is x square by this is y square plus 1. So this is x and this is y. So the first approximated value is equal to integral 0 to x square by, in place of y there is 0, 0 plus 1 of dx. So this value is equal to, so this is integral 0 to x, this is x square of dx, which is equal to x cube by 3 between the limits 0 to x. Therefore our first approximated value is x cube by 3. So it is asked to obtain the second approximated solution of an initial value problem. Therefore, in order to get the second approximated value, again we have the Picot's method. So according to the Picot's method we have, the value that is y at nth approximation is equal to, this is y naught plus this is x naught to x f of x comma y bar n minus 1th approximation of dx. So now I want the second approximation. For that I am keeping n is equal to 2. The second approximated value of y is equal to, this is y naught plus integral x naught to x f at x comma y at, this is 2 minus 1 of dx. The second approximated value of y is equal to y naught plus integral x naught to x f of x comma y at the first approximated value of dx. So we have from the question, so we have certain values as y naught is equal to 0 and x naught is equal to 0. So y naught value is 0 and x naught value is 0. And the first approximated value is also, so we have the first approximated value is x cube by 3. If I substitute all these here, then the second approximated value of y is equal to y naught value is 0 and x naught value is 0, and f of x comma, the first approximated value is nothing but x cube by 3 of dx. From the question, f of x comma y is nothing but x square by, this is y square plus 1. See, I'll show you. This is x square by y square plus 1. So if I use this one, integral 0 to x f of x comma y. So in place of x I have x. It is x square. In place of y we have x cube by 3. This is whole square plus 1 of dx. If I keep in the question x square is x square as it is, in place of y we have x cube by 3. If I substitute, it will be x cube by 3 whole square plus 1. See, this value is integral 0 to x. This is x square dx by, this is x power 6 by, this is 9 plus 1. So y at second iteration is integral 0 to x 9. If I take LCM, that is x square dx by, again if I take 9 as LCM, this is x power 6 plus 9. The second approximated value is 9. If I send to the numerator, this is 9x square dx by x power 6 plus 9. So I can write this as integral 0 to x, this as 3 into, this is 3x square dx by, so this I can write as x cube whole square. I can write this x power 6 as x cube whole square, and this is as 3 square. So now I can rearrange this as 3 into 0 to x. This is 3x square by x cube whole square plus this is 3 square of dx. So therefore our second approximated value can be written as tan inverse of x cube by 3. So this is the second approximated value using Picot's method. So this is how we have to solve, and this is all I have to say you today. I hope I haven't missed out anything, and let me know in the comments if I missed anything, and share this video with somebody whom you care the most, and stop being very casual. Practice daily. Definitely you will see considerable amount of advancement in your studies. Thank you so much, and watch my upcoming videos, share it with your friends, and I invite your subscription. Thank you so much.